Eating healthy on a budget. Eating out versus meal prepping. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. In fact, there are many ways to still eat healthy while eating out or meal prepping at home. Eating out. If you're a busy college student or young professional, you may not have time to cook every meal at home. However, there are still ways to make healthy choices when you're eating out. Choose healthy restaurants. Look for restaurants that offer healthy options, such as salads, grilled chicken, or fish. Order smart. When ordering, choose grilled or baked options over fried ones. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for water or unsweetened tea instead. Be mindful of portion sizes. It's easy to overeat when you're eating out. Be mindful of portion sizes and share your meal with a friend if necessary. Meal prepping. Meal prepping is a great way to save money and eat healthier. By cooking a few meals in advance, you can have healthy food on hand throughout the week. Plan your meals. Before you go shopping, plan out your meals for the week. This will help you stay on track and avoid impulse purchases. Cook in bulk. Cook large batches of healthy meals on the weekends and store them in the refrigerator or freezer. Pack healthy snacks. Bring healthy snacks with you, such as fruit, nuts, or yogurt, so you're not tempted to grab unhealthy snacks when you're hungry. Tips for eating healthy on a budget. Shop at discount grocery stores. There are many discount grocery stores that offer affordable, healthy food options. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can help you save money on groceries. Cook at home more often. Cooking at home is generally cheaper and healthier than eating out. Grow your own food. If you have space, consider growing your own fruits and vegetables. Eating healthy doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. By following these tips, you can make healthy choices whether you're eating out or meal prepping at home. I hope this post was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.